Let's go everywhere. Time to move. Eso. Look how cool.
Let's learn.
With the body in rhythm. One step to do. Follow this step. Let's shoot. And shoulders. That's who you are. Head, shoulders. That's who you are. Head, shoulder, foot. That's who you are. And shoulders. That's who you are. Head, shoulders. That's who you are. Stretch your arm. Stretch your arm. Eye near. That's it. Now bend. Slower, 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 slower. And start swinging strongly. Follow this step. That's shoulders. That's you. Shoulders. Jump a little. Jump really high. Spin in place. Don't stop spinning. It's much more fun with you. Let's continue. Let's vibrate. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Follow this step. Let's shoulders. That's you. Shoulders. Jump a little. That's you. Shoulders, shoulders, shoulders. That's who you are. How cool again. That's shoulders, 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 shoulders.